Welcome to Best Car Fixes Tech 2, and this is what GM and what else? GM, Isuzu, Saab using it, Suzuki using it with the cart in the back to program their cars up to 2007 and 2013 diagnosis, 2007 software. Long time ago they send you the CD like this, and you have to download it into the computer, and it's up to this 2000. That's the program. I am trying to program 2006 Chevy Express. They change the engine computer. No, they change the body control module. Use one, and if you remember this one, so I'm gonna go to service programming. This is how they go before, and now everything online. And I'm gonna go through, you see here, I already go here using the system, and I get all the software that I need. You know, like I already went there and request the programming, and now I will go here. You see, as soon as I click it change, because I'm connecting the two parts together. Now I'm gonna go to the next here. Look, as soon as I click next, you see they start changing. I already put the username, VIN number of the car, I mean the VIN number and year model of the car, and it will communicate. You see the VIN number come here already. Now I will click next. Now the database, he asked me what you want to do. It's only you have to do two things: powertrain control if you want to program the engine computer, or if you want to do the theft deterrent. I want to say I want to do the theft deterrent. Why I want to do it? Because I have a code there, and on the theft deterrent you have two issues. You have for export cars or for domestic car only. So I'm gonna click next. This is if you're using all the cars from 2007 and down. You don't need to, like security, you don't need to go online and pay $40 if you have Tech 2 and you have this software there. It do it for you, but there is no update. Okay, you see here, everything is done. It says ensure battery voltage proper, and then select programming, Tech 2 service program, and go do the rest. So let's go ahead now. I'm going to disconnect this one here. I don't need anything here. I'm going to disconnect the power, also turn it off, disconnect the power, and then go to your Tech 2, to your car. Okay, this is the car. Okay, the code on this car I will show you now in a few. Ignition is on. When I run a diagnosis here, I'm gonna show you what I have. I have a code related to, okay, the code is related to, let me turn the ignition on. You see the car start and shut off. Car start and shut off. But if we come here, if we try to look for the codes, go back, trouble code, read code. Is this the engine? On the engine you're gonna see, or on the BCM, you will see that theft deterrent signal not received. Current, and you see, this is the code 1626. Theft deterrent start enable signal not received. Okay, so now I don't know, I see here they have aftermarket remote starter. I don't know if that wire being cut or anything, but I'm gonna disconnect this wire, and I will, because I cannot do it with these tools here, I'm gonna take this one away. I will put my Tech 2 here. OBD2 connect there. Okay, turn it on. You don't need to do anything more than go to next. Go to next. Go, you need to go to service programming, not program ECU. Ignition is on. Just click this, the soft button. Continue. And now, why it does that? Read the VIN. Okay. It's a programming. It's gonna communicate with the car. Line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's supposed to take like 3 seconds to 1 minute, and then it will go to theft programming, unless if there is a problem. I cannot communicate. Wow, you see here? Let me go like this. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Program. Maybe because the radio. Yes, some of them, if the radio connector is no good, communication will not be allowed. It's true. I forget about that. Okay, stay with us. Let's connect the radio first and then see what happened. Because signal not received is kind of funny. Okay, we come back. So I am preparing those wires. We don't have too much color mismatch here, so I'm gonna put all this wire one by one like this. So I'm gonna take this one here with this one. I would do it the same way I do it in the other one here. Then we'll go to the next. Stay with us. See, I did everything. Let's see if the power ground is there, and then I will look at the data to see why I'm getting that code. Stay with us. I put the radio wire back. I connect it, but maybe fuses are blown, who knows. And one of the things also I see, I'm not seeing the security light blinking no matter what. I need to see it there. Maybe we have, okay. See, there's no security light at all. That also could be a problem. So what we're gonna do is we have to go look for why we are not getting the signal correctly, or why we are not able to program the piece. Program again. Line 1, line 2. Go to 2, 3. I'm supposed to get cross here, and it take me to 10-minute programming. It doesn't want to take, you see. I cannot do the security, maybe something wrong. So you know what happened? I'm gonna take all this out, be sure that I have all fuses, everything work, and then we take it from there. Also, leave this one here, just go back to diagnose now. Okay, nothing will mess up even if you go to diagnose. Okay, diagnose 2006 complete. Express No. First go to Chevrolet and then the VIN number. Security data. No communication with the vehicle. Check diagnostic connector. So security data link is not communicating. Everything is good. Security data link is not there. So I'm going to try to communicate with I want to see what I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. V. With throttle actuator control. Diagnose. C. Theft deterrent star enabled, not received. Okay. Go back. Body control. Data. Okay, see, no communication with the vehicle checked. Oh my goodness. The regular data. No communication with the vehicle. So no communication with the BCM. Okay. No communication. Okay, so that module there is not communicating. That's weird. Nothing is communicating. So what we need to do is no communication with that module. Okay, that's our first problem. So we have to go to the BCM, get the wiring diagram, and look for what's going on here. That's a big issue here now, for sure. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and also that's what I'm going to do now. Even if you take this one out, you put the other one, which is this one here. Okay. Let me show something here. Go back to the diagnose. Diagnose by VIN. Now go to history. Only one code is there, see, and that code is theft deterrent. Let me tell you something now. We're gonna go back. Diagnose, control unit, body control, just BCM module information. No communication with that module. So what we need to do is we have to go in there, look at the wiring diagram, connection, what's going on here. So that's a big problem. This BCM is not communicating at all. Because when this guy cut the wire, maybe he never maybe the wire being cut. Somebody cut the wire. It's supposed to be a short somewhere. So let me go get my wiring diagram and all these things, then we come back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.